Hey guys, this is Berry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a clothing bundle on IMVU. This is different than making a room bundle, which I will show you on another time. But today we're focusing on a clothing bundle. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the dummy bundle, and I will post the link in the description below for you to be able to find. But this is what IMVU has made for you to be able to make a bundle. You can't make a bundle unless you use it. Now you can either click where it says follow this link, or you can click at the bottom where it says make a bundle. And it will take you to this page. Now the selection box is a bit complicated. You can't just go down to F and find female bundle, which is what we're making. You have to scroll down quite far. As you'll see, I'll go to F and I'll stop, and you don't see it. So you go down a little bit more, and there's female bundle, and we're going to type in the name, which I was trying to type in the SP, which is for my old name, which was Strawberry Princess, which it is on YouTube. My IMVU name is now Strawberry Corleone. I tried doing Buttercup Summer Bundle, but that wouldn't work, so I had to take away a space between the SP and the B and put set in. Now for the description, this is where you want to put in something like a picture of the bundle. So I'm opening this page, I'll link it in the description, and this lets you post in a picture and it will change it into a HTML link. So you can put it in that description, and then the picture will show on the description of the page. So you just copy and paste that into the description box. Once that's posted, you can select the rating of your product. This is a GA1 because all the items are GA. But if any of your items in your bundle are AP, please select AP. I was too busy narrowing, but I don't put a profit for a bundle. Now you need to select an icon. I didn't have one made, so I've opened GIMP. I'm putting the picture that I've put for the description, and I'm going to shrink it down to fit the icon. Now IMVU's icon size is 100 by 80. So make sure that your photos for your icons are 100 by 80, and that will have it as your icon. Now you'll see here that I change the file from a JPEG to a PNG. It doesn't matter what it is for your icon. I just prefer having all my pictures as a PNG. So now we're going to head back to the website, or not, I'm going to make a mistake. So we're heading back to the website, we'll choose a file and we'll pick our product icon that we just made. Now we're going to select female because it is a female bundle. And I'm actually going to take off bundleability because it's my bundle. I don't want people putting my bundle into their own bundles. That would just be silly. Now you're going to select your tags. So I've gone with summer, yellow, picking the colour. I'll put in buttercup, putting cute. I've put in whatever I can put in to kind of make it appear for people. So beach, anything that people might search for and it might come up, which will be nice. Now you don't need to worry about anything else once you've finished all your tags. You can click submit. But the next step after clicking submit, you do not want to click publish, not yet. Scroll down and click edit bundle. So there's our photo. So you're going to scroll down and click to edit the bundle. Now this is where you're going to put your product IDs. I made sure I had all my items open already. So I'm going to go to the first item. I went to the second first. And then I was like, no, I got to correct myself. Go to the second. Pick up the product ID. So that's just the numbers at the end. You scroll down, you paste it, put your comma in, put a space, and then post your next one. This is 3 items, so I'm doing 3 links or 3 product numbers. Then once you've done all 3, you can then click submit again, which will then save it, and then you can click to return to the product set. And there we go. That is the bundle, and it shows you what the total will be. Shows all 3 items, and then you publish it, and that's it. Your bundle is done. So yeah, that is how we make a bundle.